Good morning. Welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities starting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. Now you are seeing this tiny blue color candlestick that indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 5710. What we expected yesterday was, we made it very clear we are not going to target a big profit for this week. We will hit various resistance. Whenever we get small tiny profit, we will exit. And also we had crude oil inventory report yesterday, and particularly we don't want to bet against the trend also. But we had identified this key zone 5706, where the price was taking resistance on 10th of January, and also on 14th of January the price took some resistance in this particular zone. We expected the price is trading near this 5710. What happened after the price opening was, after the price opening, the market found some resistance around this 5706, like it had earlier on the previous day. After finding a resistance, it came down. Again the price went and hit the resistance, then the price came down. As per our expectation, after hitting the resistance, the price is dropping down only for minor profit. And then after, if you see that the price was trying to convert this resistance into support. So initially the price tried to convert this resistance into support, and it was quite successful in testing the next resistance zone of 5732. Now again you can see the price, after moving up, then came down. This is how a resistance is converted into support. So the price converting this resistance into support, because earlier as I showed you on this January 10th, the price was taking a resistance in this particular zone. So then after, the price went and hit the next resistance zone, where it again found a resistance. You can see so many times the price was trying to hit this resistance, and there was a minor drop like we expected. So whenever we hit a resistance, there will be some minor drop. And what happened after that, the price cleared this resistance zone also, and the price was traveling towards the next resistance. In that time, this was the area where we got the crude oil inventory report. So on seeing the price action after the inventory report, we could identify that the momentum was in buying. As you see that the color of the candlestick was entirely in blue color, which clearly indicates the momentum was highly in the buying side. So the price tried to convert the next resistance also into support. You can see a lot of price action happening in this particular area. Initially the price cleared this resistance zone, and again it converted this into support. So the price tried to be shooted up to hit the major resistance zone of 5820, and the price was quite comfortable in staying within 5820, and the price closed around 5820. This was the entire price action what happened in yesterday's market. The only variation was, we expected the price to consolidate, and we expected a consolidation because this type of price action is quite normal in any market. After a very big drop, there can be a possible pullback because of oversold situation or because of profit booking also. It happens quite normal in any market. So what we want to say is that this is the reason why we had provided you the great Goodwill Commodity starting tool. It has got the ability to clearly indicate you where the momentum of the price when it is trading for a particular day. So on seeing the entire price action, you can see you didn't even see a single red color candlestick, which clearly indicates that the momentum was in the buying side. So whenever you hit a resistance, you should be very careful, because if it is not showing any sell sign, then it clearly indicates the momentum is on the buying side. Now let us go and see the open high low close analysis. When we see the open high low close analysis, yesterday's price opening was higher compared to the previous day's price opening, and it could not create a new low. It had created a very big high, and the price closed higher compared to the previous day price closing. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today, is that, since as a trend follower, why we insisted on hitting on resistance is that We don't want clients to book or trade against the trend. That was the reason why we insisted on hitting the resistance, so that we will wait for clear trend confirmation, then we can enter into the market. Again, we still hold on the same strategy what we followed for this week. Till 5860 we expected the price to stay in downtrend. That was our clear strategy. So what we are going to do is that, since the price had approached the key resistance zone of 5860, till 5860 we will be targeting or staying on the selling side, because if we see the long term chart like a 1 hour chart, we can find that the market can possibly find a strong resistance around 5860. So today the expected price opening is going to be somewhere below 5820. So this is going to be the two major zone in this contract for the days to come. So 5820, 5860. Only if we get a price closing above 5860, we can be very confident that crude oil has reversed its trend. A single day bull run indicates there is something happening in crude market, but it does not give us a confirmation that the trend has reversed. We should be very careful while trading in the key zone. So what we are expecting today is that today we are expecting some resistance on 5820 and 5860. Only if we see a price closing above 5860 based upon the price action, we will review our opinion. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Again, we hold on the same page, saying that we will be targeting for small profit. Whenever the price is clearing all the resistance zone, we will keep quiet, then we will allow the price to consolidate, then we will try for big profit. That was our expectation. Let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.